So excited.
So we gotta time it like a minute.
The one side 1 minute, the one side 1.5, right?
Right.
Yeah, I moved the bowl a little bit
Yeah.
for right. Wow,
Very close.
looks good.
Maybe the coals out.
Not yet. Oh, I think ready.
All right.
This the 1 minute.
Okay, flip them over. Oh yeah.
I think แรงเกิน
No.
You
That's all
high
right.
เกิน
See one of them.
I know, but
Oh yeah.
ฝาหม้อคือแล้วนะ For see the cooking
Okay.
all the way on the driver.
Making scallops. Now a minute.
This
Put some
Now.
salt on these.
put on the shrimp too.
Okay. Pepper.
This the one ready. This is my first time. How about another side too? Or one side only? Or you want I turn this side and put on top of it? Or like this?
Yeah. That's fine.
Put shrimp too.
Okay.
Cannot wait. But
Hot.
so good.
Yeah.
Ten.
All right. Eating rice, shrimp, and scallops.
Not you not yet,
In
Heather.
our motorhome in the middle of the desert. In
Yes.
New Mexico.
I be show in the outside soon, but we don't have the table. Heather, let Dad eat first. It's good.
So good.
Heather, your food salmon today, and you chickens. Good food, but not good table. Try. What you think? It's good.
We were going to bring
Alright,
the,
more.
the TV stand, but we forgot it.
Let's go. Wait, na look.
In BLM land.
The name.
Up the town of Gage. G-A-G-E.
They don't have
And-
the sign. No sign.
In New Mexico.
No sign. You need to find by yourself.
Well, there's no sign. We just looked at BLM, and they led us to this place. And we saw a car parked over there, so we thought, we got this little circular area here. Hard packed dirt. A little weary about some of this because this feels
How you call dessert?
sauce.
Desert.
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 Eric, come here.
Let's let the P unlimit.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? Cause you look like a beautiful
Let's
nightmare.
go. Let's go.
Don't you know?
Boy, Harry. Let's go. Let's go. Hannah. ไปแล้วไปเที่ยว Going on the road again. Let's go. We go dump the trash too. Okay, I close the door. We stay here 2 nights, 3 days, I think. Yeah, this area, free area, BLM. So good. I I think all 3 days we stay here have see one trailer, the white one, and the one car, and us. That's it. Harry, Hannah, not go too far. Your dad worry about snake. It's good weather. Today the temperature 81. Today perfect.